this is not one of the Scora review where people pretend to be students in order to get a lot of marketing value for the institute that they are trying to sell. This is not a coerced review in any way. This is me as a student who was mentored by Pratik sir, trying to come forward and share her experience so that there is more awareness about the channel Ignited IAS being run by Pratik Prasoon. Now, why would I come in front of the camera and try to promote this channel? I feel for us youngsters, we want to be properly skilled and be employable and useful in today's market. But what happens to us is so many people, though there is incentive in building good human resources and skilled resources, though companies have a lot of benefit in it, we actually end up getting exploited. We end up joining these institutes that take a lot of money from us, but after passing out, we are not useful in the market in any possible way. We are jobless. We are not trained in any way. So I think we students should stay woke and we should try to promote those educators who are genuinely trying to offer value to students. I wanted to do hospital administration in Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai, and I ended up qualifying for the written exam. And after that, it is because of the pandemic, they announced a new format that they would conduct an extempore round where they would just ask the student to talk immediately about any topic. And they also I did not know how to face the interview. I had no idea how to deal with this extempore topic, and I was willing to pay money for people to guide me. Despite paying money, I did not get the guidance that I expected, and the only guidance I got was from seniors on a volunteer basis who were trying to help their juniors out. At this point of time, one of my own batchmates who was also attempting MHA on that year, she ended up recommending Pratik sir to me. And Pratik sir at that point of time, he offered 12 extempores and 2 interviews. That was more than what I got, even though I was paying more money elsewhere, like just at a price of 1,000 rupees. But it is not so much that he gave that much value at such a nominal fee. It was also the way he guided. So he would conduct extempores. He would give topics that were very, very good. I'm saying this very genuinely. After, they were such good topics that they gave me in-depth knowledge of the healthcare field. He's a UPSC aspirant himself. That is why probably he's so very knowledgeable. I was pretty surprised by his knowledge. And as soon as I would talk about a particular topic, he would start giving me points to add. And they were also very, very good points. And he, along with his friend who's a doctor, they conducted 2 major mock interviews for me where they properly grilled me. And there were so many questions. Despite my own homework, despite all the guidance that I got before that, he ended up asking me so many other different questions that I did not even know it was possible to get asked. And I started adding those points also. So he's a very knowledgeable person. And he guides students on very individually. He tries to sit with the student. He's very, very dedicated and he tries to guide the students individually. Prior to starting this institute, he even worked in a UPSC coaching institute. But they did not offer him proper money for all the work that he did. So he came out and decided to, on an independent basis, start educating students and preparing them. Depth to which he prepared me, he made me so pakka for the interview that the points that he said were so useful for me in the interview. I got the generic versus branded drug question I got, and I was able to answer it, for example, very well based on all the points that he told me about how API we are importing from China, etc. Like that, he prepared me very, very well in the topic. And he also runs a channel, YouTube channel called Ignited IAS. He's known for his GK content. I would recommend you to check it out. I recommended him on so many social media platforms, on Telegram, on LinkedIn, everywhere, wherever I could find. But even after recommending to so many people, the reason why I'm trying to come in front of camera is because I want to add authenticity to all the experience that I have. Like somebody comes in front of the camera, a student comes and says, I really was benefited a lot by the dedication of this person. That adds more credibility, which is why I'm trying to come in front of the camera and say this. He offered genuine value to me when I was mentored under him. And now, he's also offering for coaching for TISNET, IAFT and UPSC. So if you want coaching in these areas, I would recommend you to check him out, to check out his channel.